Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play chess for beginners. Let's start by understanding the board and pieces. Chess is a fantastic two-player strategy game played on a board with 64 squares. Each player begins with 16 pieces, including a king, queen, 2 rooks, 2 knights, 2 bishops, and 8 pawns. Your main objective is to trap your opponent's king in a position where it cannot escape, known as checkmate. It's a game of skill and foresight. Now let's learn how each piece moves across the board. Pawns advance 1 square forward or 2 on their initial move, capturing diagonally. Rooks are powerful, moving any number of squares horizontally or vertically. Knights have a unique L-shaped move, 2 squares in one direction then 1 perpendicular. Bishops glide diagonally. The queen is the most versatile, moving any number of squares in any straight direction. Finally, the king moves just 1 square in any direction. Let's cover some essential rules and special moves. White always takes the first turn. Castling is a unique move involving your king and a rook, allowing your king to move 2 squares towards the rook, with the rook then jumping to the other side. En passant is a special pawn capture. When a pawn reaches the opposite side of the board, it can be promoted to a queen, rook, bishop, or knight, significantly increasing its power. Finally, let's discuss how to win a game of chess. Your ultimate objective is to achieve checkmate, which means your opponent's king is under attack and has no legal way to escape. The game can also conclude in a draw under several conditions, such as a stalemate where the king has no legal moves but is not in check. Consistent practice is key to developing your strategic thinking and tactical abilities. Enjoy playing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.